Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Milansoccer1313. This is box break 717. It's for a Series 2 hobby, upper deck, box 8 of 12 from a sealed case, and it is Friday the 14th of April. And there's your date and time in the corner here. You can see just right after the break closed, 11:05. We're going to run through the eBay usernames, and I'm going to come back to the serial number before I go to the webcam. Just want to remind everyone again of the rules and all of the stuff that's already in the listing. Again, I'm going to pick on the first one as always, Calgary Flames, Bizik 1978. If we do get a hit within the packs, and every pack has a hit, the hit will be mailed out to Bizik 1978. There could be a Flames hit, there could not be. We don't ship out commons, so it's only the hits, again, as listed in all the listings. The other thing is on the serial number. Again, we didn't get the product in time to make it for all the listings, so it was on the unbidded team. So if you look at Anaheim or Arizona for this break here, you'll see that listing on those two teams if you want to just double check that. Again, I'll be showing the serial number before we open the box when I go to the webcam. Let's run through the eBay usernames now, and then we can get started. So, Flames Canes belong to Bizik 1978. The Caps belong to BR 245975. The Canucks, Don Guzman. The Leafs, Dr. Sloth 78. The Devils, DUPR L1. The Stars and the Kraken belong to G-Time. The Jets, Justine 2853. The Bruins, the Oilers, the Wild, and the Sharks belong to Malik-5. The Ducks, the Coyotes, the Sabres, the Hawks, the Avalanche, the Rangers, and the Flyers belong to Mike Cam 66. The Senators belong to Nylug 48. The Jackets belong to Preston Payne 16. The Kings, Reggie Dunlop Collectibles. The Red Wings, Steve Callis 0. The Montreal Canadiens, Super Pop Collectibles. The Panthers and the Lightning, Tin A 53. The Knights, the Vegas Golden Knights, belong to Watchman 7119. The Predators, the Islanders, the Pens, and the Blues belong to YW5SN37. All right, let's get back up here. 8286 is the serial number, again on Anaheim and Arizona for this break. 8286, there you go, 8286. Excellent. Let's get started on this. Good luck to everyone. We had last Friday had a number of really good hits on Young Guns. Some really nice Young Guns came out. Let's hope for the same here. Go. All right. Let's get cracking. Let me center that a bit better. There we go. Make sure you can see everything. And let's go. Wow, I passed right by a Young Gun on the first one. Got distracted by the color of the card there. Sorry. Ottawa Senators. Kevin Medalinis for your Ottawa Senators. Young Gun. First Young Gun for Ottawa. Congratulations, Ottawa. Yeah, 2 Young Guns in a row. That's Mitchell Chaffee for your Minnesota Wild. Oh, look at that. That's the first overall pick. A UD portrait for your Montreal Canadiens, Jurgij Slafkovsky. For your Montreal Canadiens, UD portrait. And it's a Dazzler, Zach Hayes, for your Nashville Predators. Oh, that's not Nashville, guys. Got confused there. That's the Vegas Knights. The yellow jersey always gets me. That card again, Vegas Knights, the Dazzler. Oh, and I like these cards. Nashville did come up. The Nashville Predators get the city card there. Always nice to see those fun cards. Oh, look at this. Population count 1,000, Ben Myers for your Colorado Avalanche. That is a nice card. Not sure of the odds on that card, but it looks like a great card. I'm gonna say that is probably a nice looking insert of Ben Myers for your Colorado Avalanche. Oh, back to back, not back to back, but two of them. Toronto. You get the city card, I call it. I don't know what the real name is, but it looks nice. UD portrait rookie of Jacob Mouvrer of your Los Angeles Kings. Young Gun Ben Jones for your Vegas Golden Knights. Oh, that's the big card. Your first overall pick. We got the UD rookie portrait and now the Young Gun Jurgij Slafkovsky for your Montreal Canadiens. Nice hit. Congratulations, Montreal. Oh, UD canvas of Toffoli for your Calgary Flames. UD canvas, Alex Formenton for your Ottawa Senators. Wow, Montreal again, a UD canvas of Caden Gula. That is a UD canvas for your Montreal Canadiens. Young Guns canvas, very nice. Wow, a black and white UD canvas of Alex Tuck for your Buffalo Sabres. Even looks weird on the camera when I look at it. Very cool. Very nice card. I like that card. And a Montreal Canadiens World Junior Cole Caulfield. Congratulations to Montreal. And there's your upside down French variant, just to make it easier to find. Quentin Byfield for your LA Kings French variant. Cole Caulfield on Instant Impressions for your Montreal Canadiens. And it's for your Buffalo Sabres, Ethan Prow, Young Gun. Young Gun for your Arizona Coyotes, Michael Carcone. And it is a Superstar Honor Roll of Vladislav Kolokoncic. Probably butchered that, but congratulations, Arizona. And another team card, your Washington Capitals. And it's the Lunchbox Legends for your Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. Superstar Honor Roll, Nikita Okhotyuk. Last pack of a really great box. Lots of nice Young Guns. And we end it with a UD canvas of Philip Kirchev for your Chicago Blackhawks. Let's go back to see who got that last pick. Let's look for Chicago. Mike Cam 66, date and time is back there for everyone to see. Thanks again, everyone. Have a good night.